here we go, guys. Week 2. See, they're all doing real fine. Everything came in except 2. Everything else came in real nice. But this is a 2-week growth here. So these were all orchid moths I started. But those 2 down there, those were also. But I decided to transplant them just to see how it would work out. There's a wick, and they're doing real well. Let's take a gander at what the roots look like. I can get that pulled up. There we go. Well, there's the roots so far. Yeah, so it's going to be interesting actually transplanting this, which I managed to do those 2, but getting them out of this net cup. I probably should have transplanted them a lot sooner if I was going to do something like that, but honestly, you could probably grow a full plant just like that right there if you wanted to. Alright, thanks for watching.